Hello guys, very good evening and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to look into the manual testing session 3 that I already explained in my last two sessions about what is software and what is software testing, what are the qualities to be there while doing software testing. Okay, so now we are going to look into the other topic, that is product versus project. Okay, there in software companies there are two process followed, guys. One is, some software companies will be product oriented. They work for the uh, product oriented projects. Okay, and some other companies they work for the project oriented, that is for e-commerce, web applications. They work for the web applications. Okay, that is project oriented software companies. Okay, so what is the difference between product and project? Today we are going to look into the difference between these two uh, process. Okay, so let us see what is the difference. First we have to know what is project. Okay, so project is known as a software project, comprises the step involved in making a product before it is actually available to the market. Okay, the project can be handled by people which are as less as one person to the involvement of a lot of people over 100. These are usually assigned by an enterprise and are undertaken to form a new product that has not already been made. Okay, so project means to to develop the product. Okay, to develop the application or any product in the market before it gets available in the market. We will do uh, some project steps will be followed. Okay, so that is known as project. Okay, so this project can be handled by, not it cannot be handled by a single person. So lot of people are involved in project oriented company. Okay, because here several teams will be working, and more like the applications will be very difficult, that more technologies will be used in this project oriented companies. Okay, so these are usually assigned by an enterprises and undertaken from a new product that has not already been made. So it is not a uh, duplication of any product will not be done. Every new product will be done in this project. Okay, new project will be keep on assigning in this project oriented company. So what is product? In simple language I can say that if software application is developed for specific customer based on the requirement, then it is called project. Okay, so here we work for only one customer, not many customer. For example, we can take bank. So Vidya Bank application is, for example, SBI. We can take a SBI Bank. Okay, SBI Bank application. This application is developed only for SBI Bank. This application cannot be used for other banks. Okay, this is known as project oriented. Got my point, guys? Okay, here we are working for only single customer, specific customer. Okay, we are not working for other customer, and they cannot use that application. Other customers cannot use this application also. Okay, so this is known as project. What is product? If, for example, if so, product is the study of product is a part of software engineering. The software is a built by developers on the request from the customers. After the customer is satisfied with the development process, he launches the software by manufacturing it. This can be problem solving software or computer based software. This is the result of a project. The software project, when completed, is called product after it is available to the market. So this, in project it is done before it is available in the market, but product is done after it is available in the market for usage. Okay, for example, we can take Amazon, Flipkart. Okay, it is already developed. Okay, these applications are already developed and it is used by n number of customers. Okay, for example, Google, Oracle, it is used by all the companies, right? We are also using the Google. Okay, these applications, this is called as product. Okay, for in Google we are using Google Map. Okay, Google Chrome and Google Drive, all these are the products. Okay, so it is used by all the customers. Okay, so before it gets in used by the market, here it is already available. Okay, this is called as product. So let us see the difference between few. I have given some few difference between these two so that you will be clear in this. So difference between product and project. It comprises the step involved in making a software before it is actually available in the market. As I said before the project is available in the market, the software will be involved in having some steps will be followed. But in product, it is a manufacture of the project. Okay, to prepare a product, we some project will be manufactured. Okay, the main goal of the project is to form a new product, okay, that has not already been made. So in project, to prepare a new product, to develop a new product, we will use the project will be involved. Okay, the main goal of the product is to complete the work successfully, solve the specific problem. Product is solving to solve specific problems, it will use the product. Project is undertaken from a new software. So for to in project oriented company, new software will be developed, but product is the final production of the project. But product is final production of the project. Here it is a new thing which is going to get started, but it is the final production. Okay, for example, for we can take application, WhatsApp application. In WhatsApp application we have several product projects, that is calls, chats, and status. We are having these two. So these three are split into a project. In status, what we can upload the status and we can see other people's status also, and we can replay them, we can view and replay them, we can add some emojis. Okay, these things will happen. And next, coming to the call. Okay, in calls, we too have video call, voice call, and voice non-voice call, all those things we are having in calls. And in chats we are sending the message, receiving the message, and we are getting the views, whether the it has been viewed by the uh, other people or not, we are getting the tick marks. Okay, these things are happening in chats. We are sending voice message also, and we are having the option to delete that messages. Okay, these, so like this these projects will be developed in a step by step process, and later finally we will give the final production of that to that project, that is called a product. Okay, it focuses on increasing the performance of the software that is being built. So here each and every performance will be keep on increasing to develop the software. Okay, a product focuses on the final result and the efficiency with which it can solve the given problem. But in product, it is the final result. Here again we can't do anything new things. Okay, so it is the final, and it will look into the efficiency of the usage of the product, and whether it is problem solving or not. Okay, a project is done only once to get a new software. So project is developed only once to get a new software. A product can be made again and again for the purpose of distributing among users. So product is nothing but it is keep on producing, because the usage of the product will be more by the customers, so it will keep on, the production process will be keep on going. Next, it is more risky, as here a software is being made for the first time. So in project, as the software is developed for the first time, more risk will be there with the software companies. Okay, they have to look into the quality, price and the budget, environmental setup, what technologies they are going to use, all those things they will plan in this at the beginning stage itself in the project. Okay, it is, but in product it is relatively less risky as the software has already been made and tested. The only risk is most cases would be wear and tear. Okay, here already in product it is nothing, already it has been developed. Okay, if other customer asks the same product, we are going to deploy the same software into the other customers also, other customer systems also. Okay, there is not be any kind of changes, only some small changes, because the Windows what they are using in the system, whether it is old version or new version, or they are using iOS system, like this small changes will be there. We have to look into that's it. But there is no any changes happening in the software which we are going to deploy, and it is handled by the project managers. Okay, so project is handled by the project managers, it is handled by the product managers. It exists before the software is made. So it exists before the software is made, it exists after the completion of the software development phases. So before developing we are going to plan all these things in project, but in product, after the development of the product we are going to look into the development phases. Okay, it has some barriers. I think so. It is not clear. Second, it has some barriers as enterprise the enterprise sets a fixed budget for the product projects. Okay, so some fixed budgets will be there. Because of that, it is the cost of the project software will be very high. But here there is no any cost, because the cost will be, because already the software has been developed, it is ready for the final production also. So it can be used by n number of customers. So to distribute this there is no any cost barriers. Okay, so these are the difference between project and product, guys. So I hope now you are clear about these things. Okay, thanks for with, I think so this video will be very much useful to you. Thanks for watching my video. Okay, by tomorrow I will meet you with other new topics. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.